Right, welcome to Luffness Mains farm. We're in a big barn here surrounded by boxes of potatoes, and I'm here with the farmer that grows them all. Thanks for talking to us today. Could you tell us a bit about how many boxes and how many potatoes you've got in here at the moment?
Yeah, the store holds about 1,500 boxes, and each box is a ton. But there's a hole in it, so say roughly just over 1,300 boxes in here. And in a box is roughly between 7,000 and 9,000 chewers or potatoes to eat. That's
a lot of potatoes. Right, I'm just going to grab one of these potatoes out of this box. Can you tell us a bit about the journey that this potato's taken from being planted to getting into one of these boxes here?
Yeah, they've been in here about 2 months, 2 months. They were harvested in September, but if we look back, they get planted in the spring between the end of March and the 1st of May. Seed planted with a planter and a bit of fertilizer to make them grow fast and make them grow good quality. And then during the summer we irrigate them, and the sun's really quite warm and loads of daylight. Yeah. We tend to dry out, so we give them some irrigation. We spray them to keep the bugs away and to keep the disease off. And then when they're big enough like that, or sometimes as small as that, but we can't help that because they set the seed at different times of the year. We kill the plant, because the plant wants to keep growing, particularly when there's plenty of moisture in Scotland with the Scottish climate. We kill them roughly about the beginning of September to be able to harvest them at the beginning of October and have them all in the barn by the middle to end of October.
Okay, fantastic. Now, because you've got so many potatoes in this barn, how do you stop them going off?
In the store can blow air, and it can also keep the humidity right, so that we can, without chemicals, store these potatoes up to 7 months. So we keep them cool. In here it's about as cold as it is outside. We keep them between 2.8 degrees Celsius and 3.2, and at that we keep them, meaning they stay nice and firm and they don't start growing and sprouting, because that will make them rot.
Right, fantastic. Now, when you go to the supermarket, you get lots of different colours of potatoes and different varieties. What variety is it that you grow here?
So we grow the reds, and we grow the whites, and we grow the big ones, and the wee ones, the salads. These big ones are Maris Piper. Maris Piper is a well-known variety, a long time ago when it was bred. It's bred in this country, and it's, I suppose, a good old favourite for mashing or microwaving, or for a good table potato.
So these Maris Pipers would be a good accompaniment to Haggis, Neeps and Tatties, would they?
Absolutely.
Right, thanks for speaking to us today.
Thank you.